They're letting off flares.
Upwind, of course, coming back down to the crowd centre before turning around and landing back into wind.
And quite an airborne display there, Ben, with the large Australian flag, I believe, and a red flare on one side, and pyrotechnics being issued by our third canopy jumper.
That's pretty cool.
That is actually really cool. Australian flag with some fireworks. They spontaneously combusted. That is really cool. It's really pretty.
Imagine a parachuter, he must be like...
I know, whoa. It's really pretty though.
The jump team tonight, marking the commencement of the Boeing Friday night Alight.
It's improved a lot since last year.
That is cool.
It's the opening and they've just had a whole bunch of fireworks. I'm glad I can all film it in HD, it's good.
That is quite good.
They're falling for a while though, aren't they? Doesn't even look like they're falling, you know?
David Benson, the leader of the three-man parachute team, is carrying the national flag of Australia. His son Rodney Benson carries the City of Geelong flag. And the military flag, fitting for this paradrop, being carried by jumper Terry Murphy.
Look at this quality, look at this.
So with the carriage
see the
of
flag.
the southerly wind,
Oh, that's amazing.
this veritable zephyr that is travelling across the Avalon airfield at this time, our team turn into wind for a graceful descent. And warm round of applause please, the national flag of Australia and Dave Benson first to descend. Rodney Benson, complete with sparklers that have been exhausted, and Terry Murphy. Terry makes up the third in the trio, descends safely to Mother Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, the para team, Rod, Dave Benson and Terry Murphy.